Okay, so guys, this one is a remote customer service job paying $25 per hour, man. Before I go into the details of this job that I'm about to show you right now, if you are new to my channel, you're not yet subscribed. Yeah, you exactly watching this video, you're the one I'm talking to right now. Why have you not subscribed to my channel? I'm not even that bothered about the subscription right now, but why are you not liking this video right now? Help me get this video to 10,000 likes right now. You're liking this video is going to help this video to go a long way right now. So please just give this video a thumbs up right now and just leave me a comment down below this video you're watching right now. Just say anything whatsoever in the comment section below right now, good or bad, I don't care. I just want something in that comment section below right now. Without further ado, let's get into this video right now. Before I show you the details and everything required for you to get this customer service job, remote job, full-time remote job right now. So here's the details right now. You can see customer service, remote work, no vaccination required. This got my attention because I was like, vaccination, who is doing vaccination in 2024, man? Vaccination period is all gone and way back behind us. We'll never see that again. We'll never come to that time again in our life, man. So I pray. So let's get into the details of this job right now. I see third party CS, Orange, California, Vision Medical Dental Retirement. Here are the details of the job that you're seeing here right now. You can see full-time job description. I say the customer service representative would be responsible for answering client inquiries, provide product information, and help the customer by being informative, empathetic, and eager to quickly solve a customer problem. Must be willing to listen, learn, and resolve any customer inquiry. Customer service job duty and responsibility. You can go on. I'm going to put a link down below this video you're watching right now that will show you how to get to this job that you're seeing here right now. But here are the details, are the things that that you need to know before you sign up for this job right now. Look at their requirement right here. It's a little bit not too long though, but these are the benefits that you have to benefit. You can see health insurance, you have that. Excellence retirement plan, that also guaranteed for you. Tremendous upward mobility to other position and management. Wow, this job had a whole lot of offer, man. Flexible hour, remote position, available work from home. This job is a complete work from home job and it's a third party CS, Orange, CA, California, United States. Industry is business industry. Postal date August 07 2024. Let's check the company has their details. No, they don't have no details. So I'm gonna put a link below this video right now. Go down that link right now and go see how you can get yourself or get somebody that you know that might be interested, looking for a job right now. It can be your friend, your family, or it might be somebody on your social media. You don't know, just share